Hello, today I'd like to present you the QX ratchet, a pretty nice tool to mount a unicycle or to unmount and remount the wheel in case you have a flat tire, for example. To use it, in the past maybe you took a normal wrench just like this one to tighten and untighten these screws, which looks rather like this when you worked with it. Pretty complicated and lots of work. Now, with the QX ratchet, you can put it on in one direction to tighten and in the other direction to untighten the screw. So just put it on like this. And that's it, the screw is tightened. Ain't that great and useful?